guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna make no-fry, oven-bake cinnamon and vanilla donuts. If you like them, please follow and subscribe. The first step in this recipe is to mix whole milk and lemon. After that, what we're gonna do is mix all the dry ingredients together. Once that's done, let's start with the recipe. Now mix melted butter and brown sugar together. After the brown sugar and the butter are thoroughly mixed, please add the egg and mix it well. Once the egg is mixed well, we add the vanilla, we mix it again, and now let's start. Let's add the dry ingredients divided in 3 parts. First the dry ingredients, then the yogurt, dry ingredients again, the milk, and for last, dry ingredients. Once the mix is complete, we put them in our donut mold and we take them to the oven for around 10-15 minutes. For that, the oven needs to be on 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the donuts are in the oven, please mix the extra sugar and cinnamon you have at hand to cover them. When the donuts are warm enough to handle with your hands, please cover them with the extra cinnamon and sugar. And that's all. I hope you enjoy the recipe. They are very tasty and delicious, and you can always be dipping the donut while you are eating it with sugar. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe, and I hope you like them. There is a PDF down below ready to print if you want.